Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or without any ado, let's jump right into our tutorial. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the whole guideline of how you can post a job on LinkedIn if you're looking for a team or a person to hire for a specific job. If you have a specific job to offer, how to post that on LinkedIn. Without moving further in the video, please make sure that you're already subscribed and become a part of Solution Lab community. So let's jump right in. First of all, open up the LinkedIn mobile application and log into your specific account on which you want to post that specific job. Now what you can do is at the bottom you should be able to find jobs. Simply tap on jobs and this interface will appear. From here what you can do is at the top you can be able to find all of these options. Click on those three dots and you can see, if you go to here you can also see again that messages. Click on my jobs, click on in progress, applied, and you can see the jobs that you've just applied. Click on post a free job at the top right and this will appear. You can just add the title of the job as accountant. Workplace is on site or hybrid or remote. In remote is work from home. In hybrid is mostly work from home, but you need to come to the office or something like that. But on site is in the office job. So I'm gonna go for on site. Add location, New York metropolitan area. You can write your own or you can just write with AI. I'm gonna go for write my own. This is all right. You can just go to the full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, others, volunteer or internship. Go for the part-time company. You can just select the name of the specific company, click on next. After that, now it will open the review job post. The description you've given, make sure that it is up to the all of the conditions that you want, and make sure that you have added every single thing. You can go for screening questions, you can go for applicant collections. These are all some optional settings. So in the hiring frame you can also go for the hiring frame, that people will get to know that you're hiring people. And that is how you can post a job on LinkedIn. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.